bougie PTEX job.
So what was that thing? Wait, what was the thing you just had?
This scraper?
Oh, that's what you were using?
Mm-hmm. Trying to look for spots where I need a PTEX.
PTEX, what's that stand for?
Promote. Protect. Spaceship. Terrestrial.
Alright, I can't use any of this content.
It's called PTEX. And we're actually using a cardboard to catch the drip, which is probably also super dangerous, so we're just living over there. We're just living life on the edge today.
And what's the purpose of this?
What's the purpose to anything?
What struggle have you been going through today?
My car died.
Died. Just like
dead.
Just like Andy did in Toy Story 3.
Aww.
What if we just explode? And how much would this be if you were to do this in somewhere else?
Like to get it done professionally?
Yeah.
That's a good question. I really don't know. I've never really had my board.
Alright, so I'm gonna start a new service. Send in your snowboard to PTEX ski and snowboard platform, and we'll do this for It's actually some good footage right here, dude.
What if I put it this way?
Sponsored by Icebreakers.
Yeah.
Just a little.
We gotta move these, dude. I mean, we gotta move them off. I gotta
I don't know why we have so many icebreakers. We're never gonna find out.
Props.
There is. So then we move to phase 2.
Do they use a iron?
There's like a special kind of iron that you can buy for like $35, but
Wait, what are we gonna do with the floor?
dude, I don't know. What the fuck are you doing it on chairs, indoors, like every bad thing that you could ever do? I mean, I don't think you'll have a problem with vacuuming wax.
Nah, I don't trust that Dyson, dude. Just relax.
8-hour ASMR of Matt waxing.
End it. End the video, Matt.
Okay, so when you're actually going to snowboard, be sure to actually scrape all this shit off. Just leave it all.
Why are you serious about it?
Huh?
Why are you serious Got it.
Because usually at the end you're supposed to scrape it all off. But since we're not going to Utah till tomorrow, you might as well keep it on to protect the base. So just scrape it off the night before you go ski or board or whatever.
And would
And
you
then-
say that that waxing motion could help with sore shoulders or tendonitis?
I think it can spark joy.
All on the fucking.
I mean, they're not doing the one star.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out where he might. I don't see him.
It's so windy! This is the last run, Salt Lake 2019. We did Snowboard 2 days in a row. We're about to catch a movie at Sundance. Pretty peachy.
For at least like 15 minutes, like walking on their own. And then some lady comes up to us and she's like,